Welcome to Trinisource. So we are at the beginning of the website, as you can see, we're at the top here, right? Post and other be found. These represent all the headings, right, that we carry, right? So we're coming up now to, let's say you're a new user, you want to post an ad, you come to post your ad, right? Clicking post your ad now, for example, right? You could either log in or you could register a new account, right? So let's say, for example, I register a new account. So I come to username, right? My username, for example, I stipulate here Chris, right? Email is chris at reason.ltd.com. I'm just putting in my details. Yeah, right. Chris only, right? 307 2251, right? Address, I don't know, just put this. I could be either an individual, a browser, or it could be a dealer. So I'm clicking dealer here, for example, here. I click register, right? When I click register, right, what it does is it sends me an email with my credentials, and now I can now log in. So in this case, what I'm doing now is I'm actually using the credentials that I've already created for Trinisource. So let's say I go to Trinisource, right? And I go to password, capital A, small DMIN 12 and percent. And I go to login. I'm logged in as a user, for example. I come into here, right? So in this case now I have administration access here, right? So as an administrator, I can view the advertisements, right, that people put out. So if I go to all advertisements, right, I can see all the different ads people put out here. And if I want to add a new one for a client, I can click add new, right? When I come here now, I put in the particulars of the information, upload the gallery if there's a gallery required, right? As you can see, gallery, price negotiable, model, description, zip code, latitude, longitude, contact number, everything here, right? Ad types is want to buy, want to sell, conditions, brands, and then categories. I select from here which category it falls under. And then when I'm done here, I come up to publish, right? Let's say we go to price and plans. These are your price and plans that we have to stipulate. So you can have free, basic, premium, personal, business, personal, right? So if I come to free, for example, here, and I open it, and I come into here, it puts the information for free or whatever here. So this could be programmed from here as well, right? So, for example, when somebody puts through an order, right, the orders come inside of here as well, and it's processed, right? You understand? So this creates a campaign as well, right? So that's it pretty much in a nutshell. You can also chat as well to here. You can go to Tidio chat, right? And reviews, conversations, custom fields, anything that's here, self-explanatory. All right. I should send a user manual shortly, but if you have any further questions, please feel free. Thank you.